Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Save Draft button using a multi-step form in Form. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. To add an additional step, simply click the plus icon above the form. You can also personalize the multi-step form header here. Now change is the label of each step and hide the subtitle of each step. Now drag and drop the fields as per your requirement. You can also customize field labels and hide their placeholders. Drag and drop the Save Draft button to the left side menu. You can also customize the Save Draft button settings. Then go to the Personal Info. Move the Submit button from Step 1 to Step 2. Click the Next button to proceed and click the Previous button to return to the previous step. Then click on Update button. Now if someone fills out the form and click on the Save Draft button, then the form status will be saved as draft in the responses. Let's fill out the form. Click on Save Draft button. Now leave the form page without submitting it. Then get back to the form builder and check the responses. You will see that the form status has been saved as a draft. Now I will show you how to repopulate form fields with the previous partial entry from the database or local storage. Then go to the Settings section. Select the Form Abandonment feature on the left-hand side of the menu. Then enable the Form Abandonment feature. If you enable this option, the form will be saved as a draft only for logged-in users. If you enable this option, the form fields will be repopulate with the previous partial entry from the database for logged-in users. Otherwise, the form fields will be repopulate from local storage. Then click on the Update button. At the top right corner of the form, you will see the currently logged-in user. Now reload this page. You can see that the form has successfully repopulate with the previously saved partial entry from the user's database. Otherwise, if the user is not logged in, then the form fields will be repopulate from local storage. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.